Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I got, just like I have on the 4Runner, I'm going to read the name exactly how it is so you can find it on the internet. I got the Husky Liners Aeroskin II Bug Shield. A lot of people ask about this. Have one on the 4Runner, had one on my Tundra, had one on my 17 TRD off-road Tacoma. And I'm going to put one on this 4th gen 2025 Tacoma. I think not only do they look good, they protect the paint here from chipping from rocks off the highway, which has happened to this one already. There's a few places because it gets a lot of highway use. And it also kind of deflects the air up and over, and I think it prevents a lot of big bugs and rocks from hitting your windshield. I mean, I'm not sure exactly, but it seems to help. From all the years I've had these, dating all the way back to 2017. I hope they keep making them. I'd like to put them on all my newer vehicles that I get later on down the road, whatever that might be. So, anyways, Husky Liners Aeroskin II Bug Shield. I wanted to get that exactly right so you could search it on the interweb. Anyways, so this is what I'm talking about. This right here, let me show you this. You can see it's got the deflector in the front right here. I don't know if you see that right there. So it deflects the bugs and rocks and whatever. It goes on with double stick tape. I do take my vehicles through car washes. You know, the whatever they have, these big automated things where you can vacuum your car and stuff at the place and you can get memberships or subscriptions or whatever. Never had a problem with this coming off in all climates. 0 degrees, all the way up into the high 90s. It's never going to come off. This tape is heavy duty and works great. I use it to mount all kinds of things on vehicles. The GTI has a rear spoiler that is just held on with this double stick tape, and it kind of sticks out. I take it through the car wash, holds great. So, you know, I'm not lazy. I do wash the car by hand quite often, but I also run it through the car wash when I, just when I don't have the time. Got to keep them clean, keeps them happy. So, anyways, so I'm going to show you how to put this on. It's real easy, but I'm going to show you now. You have to prep this part of the hood where it goes on. You want to prep that really good. So I cleaned the dirt off first with some water and a microfiber. Then I took some 90% alcohol, sprayed it on a microfiber, and cleaned that several times. I did several passes to make sure it was completely clean of grease and whatever else comes off the road. Now, it does, this does come with a prep pad. So, and this is 70% alcohol. It's fine. You could use this. Just make sure it's clean first. I like the 90% alcohol. It's just my preference. I can get it at the drugstore, and it seems to be just going that extra mile. So, another thing I'll tell you, that when you remove these, because I've seen a lot of snark out there on the forums and Facebook and whatever, people are like, oh, it's going to ruin your paint when you take it off. It doesn't. Okay, I've taken these off all my vehicles when I trade them in, and I sell this stuff on eBay. When I'm done, it comes right off. Now, I do wait till it's warm outside to take it off. That makes it a little easier because I don't know why. Maybe it makes the double stick tape more pliable. That it's not going to rip off in the hot weather. In the cold weather, I mean, it's really stuck down hard. The tape kind of hardens up. It's not going anywhere. But I just find it easier when it's warmer. You can use a little plastic razor blade to get under there and get it off. But it is not going to come off in the warm weather. It does not. That's not how this tape works. So I'm going to show you how to put this on. It does not ruin the paint. It does not do anything like that. If you ruin your paint taking it off, user error. So anyways, like all that other crap I see on the forums, people complaining, they go and sit in a new 4Runner or a new Tacoma and they're like, oh, this sucks. These seats are cheap. It's like, blah, blah, blah. Don't buy it. Don't sit in it. Whatever you have is better than everybody's. So stick with that. you know, because you've got the best vehicle. Don't try to get anything new, you know. I'm so sick of all those fake comments on the forums from especially Facebook, from all these knuckleheads. And you know, if all they're gonna do is complain, it's like just stay off the internet, you know. Nobody wants to hear your garbage, you know. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this on there, and let me show you how to do this tape. I learned this just from reading the directions and seeing other people do it. A way to do this that makes it really easy, and so you can line it up. So the first thing you're gonna do, you can take your little razor blade here or something with a little pokey end on it, and what you want to do, try to show you this. So right here, I'm gonna pull up the edge right here, but just like that. Look at that. And it's like that. So when I stick it down, this piece, I'll be sticking it down to just a little piece of the tape, double stick tape. This piece will be there, and I can just pull this out, and I'll show you how I do that. So I'm gonna go around, and I'm gonna do all these pieces here. It does help to have something with a little sharp edge on it to help peel this up. I don't have fingernails, so, but you can see here, I just dropped my knife. Now you can see, so when I put it down, these little red tabs are gonna be sticking out of here, and I'll be able to just pull them out and get that tape off. I'm gonna go around and do this all the way around, and then you'll see me start to put it on the hood. You don't wanna watch me do this. So as you saw how I placed that down, I want to make sure it fits in these dips right here, these little valleys, really good. That'll help line it up. And I put it on there loosely. I'm going to make sure those are in there. Let's just pull that tab right out, just like that. Pull these out. Watch this one. Just like that. Just like that. Then I'm going to take this roller I have here, and I'm just going to roll this down. It helps get a firm contact with this double stick tape. So look at that. That looks pretty good. It's on there. Nice and solid. Now I want to tell you the temperature out here right now is 70 degrees. That's a good optimal temp, 70 or a little higher, to use this double stick tape. If it's cold out, I have seen other installers or whoever that basically they use a heat gun and they heat up the double stick tape before they stick it on, and that helps. And so yeah, looks good. Let me show you this close up. There you go, check that out. But like I said, this will protect the paint. It is removable. You know, if you want to sell the vehicle or whatever. I just leave mine on the life of the vehicle until I get rid of it. I take it off and I sell it if the person doesn't want it. And, you know, it looks good. Let me show you. It's just like the one. My 4Runner's looking all spiffy. I got it all cleaned up this weekend, but check that out. See, I have one there too. Yeah, I need a grill that says Toyota for this SR5 here, this Tacoma. But yeah, see? So, it looks good. It's the Husky Liners Aeroskin II Bug Shield. It also helps deflect rocks and stuff, but I like it because it's matte black. It double stick tapes on. It doesn't have a big gap underneath like some of the plastic ones do. A lot of those shiny plastic ones have a gap underneath, and they let a lot of rocks and air get under there. And I had one of those on a car out in Colorado, and it just destroyed the paint under there. You know, it's very gritty out there in the winters. A lot of stuff they put on the highways. But it, you know, it took a while to polish that paint back to get it looking right again after I removed that one. But this one double sticks tape with a lot of tape, and that tape keeps the grit from getting under there. And, you know, these just work great. I've used them since, God, how long has that been? 9 years. 9 years I've used these. The same one on different vehicles. So, yeah. Remember, Husky Liners. You can go to realtruck.com. You might be able to find them on Amazon. I'll put some links under the video in the description to locate this. But Aeroskin II by Husky Liners, and it's their bug shield. Okay guys, I hope you liked that video on the Husky Liners Aeroskin II bug shield. Really easy to put on, and you know, just take your time, make sure you get it straight, pull those little tabs out like I did. That really helps, instead of pulling all that red off and trying to stick it, because once this tape sticks in 70-degree weather or hotter, it's sticking. So yeah, so there you go. I think it looks good. I think it's a great addition to this Tacoma, just like it was to the 4Runner and my other vehicles. And these work great. And, you know, you should check them out. This one, I think, looks the best. Now, they do make one, and I've been interested in it, maybe for my next vehicle. It has lights installed in here. I'm not sure how those wire up. Maybe there's a little wire you take under the hood. I'm not sure. But they have lights in them. They also make a couple of different kinds for different types of vehicles. They make a low profile one, and I believe that is a shiny one that actually sticks down on the hood as well. And it doesn't have this lip in the front. I like this lip. Kind of looks a little rugged. It looks like it actually has a function. It'll definitely keep the paint from chipping up here. So, that said, I hope you liked the video of this little install. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And, you know, check out my links under the video in the description. There's all kinds of stuff I've done to the 25 Tacoma and the 25 4Runner. A lot of them are the same. A lot of them are not, because the 4Runner is a different vehicle. Even the springs are different in the suspension. I thought they were the same, but the Tacoma's got a stiffer spring in it. Anyhow, besides that, check out the links, check out my other videos, and like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time with more mods. See ya!